And there's nothing but the smell of her.
Cool. One of you guys that can catch it in flight. See it? Oh no. Can't we catch one in flight? 2, 3, up! Oh, I think one of them caught it, but I couldn't see him. The seagulls are only after the chips. They don't want to touch the KFC bird. I don't blame them. They say, where are the chips? Where's the chips? Yeah, it's a banquet for you guys, isn't it?